Welcome to MedMart. David and Phoebe standing by here to go over portable ramps. It's ramp season. You've been stuck in your house, it's been cold, it's been rainy. You want to get in and out. You might have just bought a scooter from us. And with every mobility purchase, if you need to get in and out of your home, you might need a portable ramp. We have portable ramps starting at 2 foot all the way to 12 foot long. We have multi-fold, single fold. We have the right ramp for you. Check out on our website today, find the right ramp for you. For every inch of rise, you need 1 foot out of length. It's a 1 to 12 ratio. So that's what ADA and commercial recommendations are. In some residential standards, you might be able to get away with a little bit less. You should check with the product specialist on the mobility equipment you're using. So if you're using a powered wheelchair, you need to see that can the slope make it on the ramp that I have. If you're using a rollator, can you walk up and down with that slope? We can help you find the right slope for you. We're one of the largest ramp dealers in the country for a reason. We'll help you find the right solution for your own individual needs. We are the residential ramp experts. From 2 foot to 12 foot, whether you have a dog walking up, whatever you need, visit our website or call one of our stores today. We're here to help.